Today, we will guide you through accessing the Preferred Knowledge Quiz right from the ALICE homepage. If you need extra time as you follow along, you can pause this video at any point. On the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Scroll down on the homepage until you see the 4 steps of career planning on the left side of the screen. On a mobile device, this will appear on the center of the screen. Click the top link that says Know Yourself. You are now on the Know Yourself portion of ALICE, where quizzes and articles can help you learn more about yourself. At the top of this page on desktop and mobile, click or tap Find Your Fit. On the Find Your Fit page, you'll find various tools to help you understand your skills, interests, and preferences. Scroll down until you see the Preferred Knowledge Quiz. Click or tap on the Preferred Knowledge Quiz. This will populate the page with a button to start the quiz on desktop. Click Complete Quiz on the right side of your screen to start. On a mobile device, the Preferred Knowledge Quiz button will start the quiz. This quiz is designed to identify your preferred learning style and how you best acquire and retain information. Follow the instructions provided on the quiz page to answer the questions accurately and thoughtfully. Once you've completed all the questions in each category, press Get My Results to see your results from the quiz. Once completed, you'll receive your results detailing your preferred knowledge style. These results can help guide your learning strategies and educational decisions, ensuring a more effective and personalized approach to acquiring knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, email us at alice.info@gov.ab.ca.